Model and mentor. What should I do next? What's the best path to take? These are two typical questions that people ask once they've found out what they want to do in their career. It's crucial to know the best way to progress as soon as possible so that you can minimize your risk and be as efficient as possible. However, we don't need to recreate the wheel. The chances are that someone else has already done something similar. That's where modeling comes in. A model is someone who is already doing what you want to do or has already done what you want to do. So rather than trying to guess the best way to progress in your career, how about finding a model and then analyzing what they did and how they did it? Of course, when doing this, we have to also factor in the time and environment that they were operating in compared to the time and environment that you are operating in. Both of these could significantly change the way we approach this issue. How to find them. Often people want to model someone famous, which is usually quite straightforward because it's easy to find information online about their background, education, and career. In general, I find Wikipedia very useful for this. On the other hand, if the person you want to model is not famous or well-known, LinkedIn can be very useful for this. With the free 1-month trial membership, you are able to view the full profiles of other professionals, find out what education they have, where they've worked, and what skills they have. This will give you some ideas about how you could use the same process. Furthermore, nowadays more and more people are creating their own websites for either their blog or their career development. But if you prefer not to look people up online, or if you can't, you can always use your personal or professional contacts. Try to make connections with people who could show you how they created their career and ask them for advice or guidance about what they did and how they did it. You'll find that if you're open, interested, and polite, most people will be more than willing to talk to you about their journey so far. The other thing many people find very useful is to get a mentor, whether they are self-employed or an employee in a company. A mentor is really useful for giving you feedback on your performance, supporting you in times of difficulty, helping you solve common problems, and giving you general career advice and guidance. However, a note of caution. Asking someone directly to be your mentor can work some of the time. However, some people will be concerned that they are making a big commitment and they will avoid that obligation. Whereas, if you simply ask someone for advice occasionally and express gratitude when it is given, you may find that they are more open to an informal mentoring relationship. These two strategies will help you take the next steps in your career.